Kani Gadega Patisi TV.
Good Shepherd Educational Charitable Trust Shillong Ringkat Kajingatri Lang Study Nation 360 Private Limited na Delhi kila panshai ki samla puli lor kilat kilinti panyo puli MBBS shakiwe patkiri kaperthai yakani kajingelang la pelong Eldorado Guest House kabadana dan kiti Shillong hakani kajingelang la yo jingkran na uchalman ka Good Shepherd Educational and Charitable Trust Vishal Chetri Batna ka Managing Director jang Study Nation 360 Private Limited ka Yukti Berwal kabla batai bnya alor kilat kilinti kumno panyo puli Dr. Shakiwe pat kiri kum ka Philippines Georgia bat kiwe kiri ka Yukti Berwal kala yathoru paki korpus puli kilong ki pasimpor kum basaw ne sansnam pat anda ki samla puli kiladap kin yakhun na kabanta ka Medical Certificate of India banyo jingitho pat kum ki doctor kibla pentebet pat pass ya ka jing puli doctor Habaikran bakabat CCTV Chairman ka Good Shepherd Educational and Charitable Trust Shillong Vishal Chetri laito pakum bakalong hadu minta kinsadan hadu shipongut kisamna ki banaka jala Meghalaya ki bansalet puli MBBS Shakari Philippines Hakawai pat kabentaw Ahmed Fats Ubalong Director ka Study Nation 360 Private Limited laito baka Study Nation kala jupha ikisamna puli nadu snam arjan yo padadu minta bun kisamna kilayo ru pankhe yo so jongka jingjom nakani ga jinglet puli Dr. Shabari.
Studying MBBS in India, it has become equally impossible for the student, for the average student, those who are not scoring higher marks in NEET exam and other government exam. For them, they have to pay a huge amount of donation in reputed institution across India. So we came into the concept of sending student abroad because it gives them very low budgeted fees, and since State Bank and many other bank is also supporting up to 20 to 25 lakhs as a education loan. So most of the students they are from poor economical background, they are also coming forward. This year we have almost more than 10 students who are going abroad in Philippines. The reason we have chosen Philippines because firstly it's a Christian state, it's a Christian country, and secondly is the world second largest English speaking nation. And culture-wise also what we have seen, it's equally similar to the Northeast. So Northeast student will get more benefits studying there.
Kani Gadega Patisi TV.